Hey guys, so here's how you're going to become a product reviewer on Shein. So there are actually two ways in order for you to become a free or a reviewer on Shein. So the first thing is that you're going to leave reviews on the products that you have already bought from Shein. So for example, you're going to head over to your profile, and then from here you're going to head over to my orders, and then from your orders you're going to tap on the order that you want to leave a review for. So for example, I want to leave a review for this one. Just take note that you can only leave reviews for a period of time. So when you become a reviewer for this product, Shein might be able to see all of your reviews and then choose you from a pool of people who are trying to be or to leave reviews. Another thing that you can do is you can head over to the Shein Free Trial Center. Now, the Free Trial Center will give you an opportunity to leave reviews or to try their products without spending a dime. So, what you're going to do is, for example, you want to leave a review for this one. So, you're just going to click on the free trial right here, and then you're going to fill in all of these details, like if you need the size and then your trial delivery address, and then you're just going to hit on submit. Now, once you have been approved, this will actually go through their system as an application. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to wait for the application results, and then you are going to look over to your account settings page, and then you're going to go to the other services section, then click on my free trial, and then this is where you can see the status of your current application. Now, once you get approved, you will Shein will ship the item to you for free. Once received, just write a detailed review with photos, and then Shein select reviewers based on effort and quality. So always submit clear photos and honest feedback. And that is how you're going to become a product reviewer for Shein. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.